a great mother, loving wife, and a true friend. Welcome to Annalita's 60th birthday. 60 years of life, love, laughter, and adventure. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible person and the impact she had on our lives. May I request everyone, paliwag magtindog ang
Birthday! Sige na.
So please stand as we celebrate as our celebrant, Wong and Tian. Let's give her a big round of applause. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Annalita Valerido, our celebrant. Let's put our hands together as we celebrate her 60th birthday. You may now be seated. Thank you very much. Age is just a number. It's wisdom, love, and memories is what really matters. This time, let us hear some sweet, inspiring message from the husband of our celebrant and to formally welcome us all to this birthday. No message kami yun.
Na-surprise man.
Salamat sa bisita ka. Kung ay ganit di kabalo nga liwat ya sabang kasi manguro na masilig mo ay
Madamo niya salamat sa anak. At hindi sa akon, madamo niya salamat. Thank you. Surprise your birthday.
hindi ka lang mag-ibig. Grabe ang tanungan.
Kalipay na. Sa kalipay.
Thirds of joy.
Thank you very much, Ate Roger. That was very simple message pero deep ang
Ako dyan naman, kami kabalo nga amo na yun ang invite na, amo na rin dito lang sa site. Pero sila kapunta ka nga, si Cindy, si Alma, si Jinjin, ilaro niya kubla, buhay kami kabalo kita, din surprise nila. Di salamat kita may arak. May arak kita nga, nakatamod man bala ka, sila nga may arak sila. Yung tao kita din nila sa kalipayan. Okay?
Thank you again sa pagkaroon yung bulag. Nabulig siya niya sa mga birthday.